Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're house hunting on Zillow, you might have accidentally hidden a listing and now you're wondering how to get it back. In this quick tutorial for 2025, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unhide homes on Zillow. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned real estate pro, this will save you time and frustration. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zillow account. Open the Zillow app or website and sign in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, it's easy to create one. Trust me, it's worth it for all the features. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. It's like your personal dashboard for all your saved searches and hidden listings. Now, look for the Saved Homes or Hidden Listings section. Zillow has updated its interface in 2025 to make this even more user-friendly, so it should be straightforward. In the Hidden Listings area, you'll see a list of properties you've previously hidden. Scroll through until you find the one you want to unhide. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with options. Select Unhide or Make Visible. It's that simple. Zillow might ask for a confirmation to ensure you really want to do this, so just hit Yes. After unhiding, refresh your search results or go back to your main feed, and voila! The home should reappear. One tip. If you're hiding and unhiding a lot, double-check your filters because Zillow's 2025 updates include smarter search tools that might affect what you see. And there you have it. You've successfully unhidden a home on Zillow. This feature is super helpful for keeping your searches organized without losing track of great options. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.